Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today I've got this beautiful Lamborghini Huracan Sterrato by Matchbox. This is from the Matchbox collectors. So it's basically like how Hot Wheels Premium are. So you get mainline and premium, you get Matchbox Collector, which is premium of Matchbox. So you will get better paint, rubber tires, nicer looking wheels, and better details on this one compared to mainline Matchbox. They do release like few of them every year, and I think this is a new for 2025. I can see the paint looks good, so does the wheel. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here's the Huracan Sterrato out of its box. One thing I like about Matchbox Collector is they do give you an actual box. So once you open it, you can put it back in the box. Unlike Hot Wheels Premium, once you open it, it's open. So let's talk about the casting. And as I said before, you get better details, rubber tires, plastic wheel, better looking wheels. And the base is also metal, I guess. Actually, I can't confirm if it's metal or not. But let's go to the front now. So in the front, you've got nice details. You can see you've got detailed headlamp, auxiliary lamps, Lambo badge, lower grille finish in black, and a lower bumper with skid plates, I guess, because it's an off-road version of the sports car. It doesn't miss out on mirrors, which is very rare for Matchbox. Usually they do have mirrors, especially on the newer casting. Has both the windshield wipers, which looks good, and you get this nice orange paint with a lot of decals and this Italian flag colors from front to back. Now moving to the driver's side. So on the driver's side, as you can see, it's slightly raised, and you also have this cladding on the side on actual car. There they have just painted it to show that. The tricolor, Italian tricolor continues, number 63, and you do have those flush door handles here. Again on the side you can see there is some more protection because they're doing off-road. And I like the wheels, I like the color of the wheels, they suit it. And you get these rubber tires, obviously, not the plastic ones. There's no glass, so you can see the interior, which is finished in black. Surprisingly, the front window is slightly tinted, it's not clear, but again you can see the interior from here. I wish they did the mirror, would have made it look so much better. Also, like the original car, it has roof rails, you can see here. Now coming to the back, again good details here. You can see painted tail lamp, Lamborghini badge, detailed exhaust tips, diffuser, and obviously grille in the back. Also, if you look closely, you can see the stop lamp there. On the passenger side, looks almost identical. The only difference I can see is the fuel filler cap here. I forgot to mention the turn indicators are on front and back. You see that this is how it looks from the bottom. And one thing that makes Matchbox Collectors slightly different from Hot Wheels Premium, they sometimes come with opening parts like this one. So you have the engine bay opens up, the door for the engine bay, and you can see engine. It's not painted or detailed, but you can see the engine there. Some of the Matchbox recently have nice details in the engine bay too. This one you can see the engine, it's not painted, but you can still see a lot of detail there. So that's an added point for this casting. Now overall, I think it looks really nice. I don't know if I can't remember, or I don't think Hot Wheels has done a premium of this one. They have a mainline, I can remember that, but they haven't done a premium. But this looks good. It looks really nice. It's a really good looking casting. I wish they did the mirrors. Apart from that, I think it's a really nice casting, and if you find one, get this one. Well, those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.